Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Fairy Tale family, where our goal is to put a little bit of magic into your everyday. I'm Chelsea, and welcome to summer vlog number 2. So the whole purpose of these vlogs is to provide you one, kind of like behind the scenes family footage of what's really going on here at the Fairy Tale family during the week, but 2, it's to inspire you to do something fun with your family. So if you watched our first vlog, which I will make sure gets linked, if you watched our first vlog, Callie pulled out an activity stick that said make homemade ice cream. So at the end of the week, we had a big ice cream party. And it was fun. All the activities we did during the week revolved around the grocery shopping for the ice cream making, actually making the ice cream together, picking berries, like getting the party put together. Like, it was a really nice thread or theme to the week, because you know I love a theme. You know I love a theme. This week, as you will see coming up, Callie picked something that was not in my area of expertise. So I'm feeling a little vulnerable putting myself out there, because you'll see what Callie picked to do, and it was something that she said she wanted to learn how to do, but that I also had to learn. So I had to put on my like mama growth mindset and practice something every day that eventually I think I did okay with. It's not great. You'll have to wait and see. There are gonna be some like surprises in this video, because I'm also gonna take you through my Botox journey. I had never had Botox before, and then just went in for a facial consult. If you follow us on Instagram, which you should, by the way, if we're really friends, you'd follow us on Instagram at the Fairy Tale family. But I did like, I just did an IGTV video, literally coming home from the appointment. So that's there, and I'll give you a little update at the end of the video with some close-ups too. Sorry that I'm squinting so much. I like to be outside as much as I can, especially for summer vlogging, but I need sunglasses. Does this work? Is this helpful? No? Okay. So I think you're just gonna get kind of a smattering of things in this vlog that I hope that you enjoy. And thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. If you haven't joined us on Facebook yet at Fairy Tale Summer, please do. I am, of course, updating my Instagram and Insta stories every day, but Fairy Tale Summer gets to see what's going on behind the scenes throughout the week as well, and they kind of participate in whatever it is that we're doing. So I will make sure that that link is below, as well as our guide to the best summer ever with your kiddos. It's a list of 50 things that you can do with your family during this summer of pandemic. That'll be linked as well. It's totally free for you. Enjoy. Hi everybody, good morning. It is Tuesday of week 2 of Fairy Tale Summer. So, are you ready to pick this week's magical activity?
Can you tell me all those?
Well, I'm not gonna read them to you. You have to pick one randomly. Okay, ready to pick?
I don't want to go with my hand.
Okay, you don't have to.
Ah.
This one says, learn how to do a cartwheel. We're gonna learn how to do a cartwheel this week. This, my friends, is day 1 of cartwheel learning. This is what we already know from gymnastics. It's not bad, Cal. It's pretty good. Wow, that's getting higher. So, every day we're gonna be doing some practice, and we'll be doing some drills for our cartwheel learning.
Now you.
Is that for me?
Don't look what I'm drawing next.
I won't even look.
It's lunchtime. Make sure to drink water.
Hi everybody. So this is what our chocolate looks like. Huge. Huge, huh? And we would need a bowl, which has nothing inside it.
Nice.
And we would need more. You would need these.
All right, we're gonna start with 1.5 cups of flour.
Yeah.
And this is
can
a
I show you
half.
the flour. Can I see what? Can I show you? Do you need flour?
Yeah. Hang on, let me cover it back up. Oh dear.
Oopsie. So we added a few cups of flour, but that's 2.
1.5.
1.5.
Yep. And we need a cup of white sugar.
Can I show them?
Yeah.
This is our white sugar.
Mm-hmm.
1.5.
You're a good host.
Uh,
Making a mess.
Woohoo! Pop, pop. I'll pop the bubbles. Pop.
We need a teaspoon of baking soda.
Teaspoon. We need. Can I have the baking soda? Can I have the? We need a teaspoon of baking soda. Put it into the bowl. You have to put it into the bowl.
And we need 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
We need a teaspoon of salt, everybody. This is what a chocolate looks like.
Yeah. Okay, let me read what's next.
Can't wait. See
Okay,
it?
do you want to whisk this up?
Sure, Mom. Okay. Can I have the whisk?
Of course. You're gonna just go nice and slow.
And
Here.
this is what our whisk looks like. You need a big one.
And let me get the bananas. Or
We need
banana.
mushy banana.
We need a mushy banana.
Let's squash it and see
I
how
know,
mushy
it's pretty
it is.
mushy.
Can you just squeeze and see how hard?
Sure. Are you doing a nice slow job whisking?
Yeah, look at my hand.
We need egg, oil, and your favorite ingredient.
Glitter?
Vanilla.
Glitter. I'm
Wanna
sorry.
use the eggs from today?
Yeah.
This is our egg from today.
So we got our
Careful, careful,
own
careful.
egg at the farm.
Yeah. we
Our
did.
first egg ever. Can I crack it?
Not yet. All right, want to pour this in?
No.
All right, and can you open this banana?
I don't know how. All I know how to do
Yeah,
is just squeeze it.
That's right.
Can you help me?
Teaspoon of vanilla.
Can you see how squishy
It's
it
so
is?
squishy.
Put it in.
Okay. And then we're gonna put it on the mixer.
Mush. First egg.
Farm eggs are so pretty on the inside, aren't they?
This is what our mixer looks like. Brand new.
All right.
Can I have a piece?
No, it's not really that kind of chocolate. You want it to.
But Mommy, so can you open this headband?
No, those are for the 4th of July, babe. You might need to add some butter to this. Let's see. This made such a mess. I would not recommend breaking chocolate this way.
Can I see how? Now you have to clean up the chocolate. How did you do that?
Just hitting it. I'll do some sweeping after this.
Can I have a bite of it?
You can, but I wonder if it was next to some of the mint. Okay. Do you want me to break this up and put it in?
No,
Or do you want to eat it? Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I more than love it. I
That's-
love it.
You do? All right. It's my genius adventure idea. We're gonna spray our ice cream scoop with some vegetable spray so it doesn't stick. And then we take our scoopy
Huh?
and we plop it into a muffin cup.
Boys and girls, there we go. Now they're ready to put in the oven.
Yep. Is that a kid job or a grown-up job?
Me.
You want to put them in the oven? Do you want to? I'll show you how to do it safely if you want. Oh, good job. Now you can't touch anything on the inside, okay?
Not like desert.
Close. There you go. Put a timer on.
I wanted to put.
You going tomorrow too?
No, this is our
So-
weekly activity.
I want you to try to put your hands this way and cartwheel. But let me move
Guys,
Kylie
can I
first.
show you?
Not right now. Let Callie do it first. Okay, ready? Set. Go. Okay.
Good job!
Show me again. Good.
Good, yeah.
Now we're gonna work on the legs. Good. I'm gonna pick your legs up. Okay. Ready? Go.
My Kylie doesn't know how to do a cartwheel.
So I want you to try to kick that high. Can you try to kick that high?
You
Come back and do it again. I'm
You
gonna
can
put
do
my
it.
hand up,
You can
and I
do
want
it,
you to try to
Callie,
kick my hand.
like this.
Can you try to kick my hand? Ready? Go.
Yeah!
Good
Try that again. Land on your tootsies though, not your knees. Ow.
I think I scared her when she
Yeah.
kicked me. Yeah! Way better.
Good job.
I don't know how to do a.
So, I thought I would pop on here to share with you something that I did today, kind of unexpectedly, like just did unexpectedly. And I know there's gonna be mixed feedback or mixed feelings about this because what you do with your body apparently upsets other people. So, because I've had so much positive feedback from sharing my weight loss journey, and there are updates on that coming because it's been almost a year, I wanted to share with you something that happened this morning. So I'm 35, 35. So I've lost almost 100 pounds from this time last year. I'm aging or maturing, depending on how you want to put that. And I've also lost a lot of the natural filler in my face. So I am the type of person who, if I see a problem physically or what I perceive to be a problem, I want to fix it, to make myself feel better about it. So I noticed that when I'm making content here for you, that when I smile, I have been like photoshopping, like going into Facetune and smoothing out this area of my face pretty consistently, as well as this bad boy right here. So I did have a consult with a surgeon, essentially. She's a surgeon here where I live, and we were talking about like the types of common wrinkles in the face, which happen here and here, that there are just parts of my face that had filler in them that don't any longer. And one of my personal goals is to not have to wear any type of foundation, like ever. But these started to bother me, like in a self-conscious way. So I had Botox. So this is my first time ever having any type of Botox. I didn't know the difference between Botox and filler. And what I learned was Botox is a paralytic. It freezes the muscles in your face over time, where filler is literally just that. It like creates like fat pads. Sounds gross, but that's what it does. So I'm gonna like come up close. As you can see here, these little dots, she put 3 little shotties where my crow's feet are. And then like she made me make all kinds of faces. You can see where it's red. Like I just drove home from there, so I haven't added any makeup. I'm not planning on putting any more on, but you can like see where the shots were. She made me make maiden faces, raise my eyebrows so that she could get real close up in there. So the deal is, and I've never done this before, so this is like new to me, but in 2 to 3 days, I should start to see some changes. And then within 10 days, like at the 10-day mark, that's what your face is supposed to look like. So I'm gonna keep you like updated on that. Friends, today is the day where you get to see the final product of our Cartwheels. Now, Callie's like kind of a cartwheel pro. Full disclosure, I am not. So here's, all right, let's see, Callie. Remember, high legs. Callie Craig! What? Amazing. Yay! Okay, Mama's gonna try. Okay, ready? Here we go. Here we go.
You did it!
Did I do it?
Yeah. Feels good, huh?
Feels good. Hi, Johnny. We're working on our cartwheels.
Oh, nice.
You can't go work. Mama's doing it too. Go ahead.
Oh,
Go ahead. Go, go, go.
that one really hurt though.
Go, go, go.
Do that.
Yeah.
So, you saw the world's most beautiful cartwheel. You're welcome. Also, it hurt. Cartwheels as an adult? Not the same as they were when we were children. I swear I used to be able to do like a nice one. And I thought I was gonna be starting much stronger than I was, but it took me all week to work up to that. So you're welcome. You're welcome. Okay, I know you're here because you wanna look at my Botox journey. This is day 5, by the way. So it's allegedly by day 10, like that's what it's gonna look like. So I'm gonna like pull you in close. Hi. Too close. Okay, so I don't have any foundation on. I just have tinted moisturizer. So if you're looking at like uneven skin, that's real. Now, this wrinkle that was here, you can still see it a bit. It's on day 5. But I want to show you what happens when I try to like I'm very expressive and I raise my eyebrows a lot, so I'm gonna try to do that for you right now. It is feeling a bit frozen, so I can't do that seriously. Okay, but you see how there's no like deep set wrinkle? It's working. And then the other ones I had were here. So it doesn't include like my eye bags or like this skin, but it was my specific crow's feet. So when I make this face, which like, who makes this face? I don't know, but really it was like when I smile, that these wrinkles are starting to go away. Now those are a lot thinner than this area, and I did explain that in the Instagram video, that like the stuff that goes up here into this bone is a lot thicker than like these parts. But I am seeing an improvement here, and I'm seeing like a really big improvement across here. So it does feel a little tight. Not uncomfortable, just tight. So that's my Botox journey. I have an appointment next week with Dr. Kate to have her evaluate if it's working as well as she wants it to, if I'm happy with it. So I am sure that in summer vlog number 3, you will get a Botox update. But so far so good, friends, and I look forward to like doing it again. I think this is something we're gonna do now. Do you do this? Let me know. Let me know. All right, my loves. Thanks for sticking around. I'm so glad you're here, and we will see you soon. We're gonna have bonus content like every week, so make sure you're subscribed, ring the bell. You know the things to do. Do those things. That way when we do have bonus content, you are notified of it first. I love you, and I will see you soon. Bye, friends.